Computational biology is the field that includes the foundation of biology, applied mathematics, biochemistry, biophysics, genetics, and genomics. Computational biology is the umbrella field where computational genetics and genomic data sciences is a part of. Due to the scale of the genomic data, there is a need of new computer paradigms for processing, accessing, and analyzing this big data of genomics. To know in brief what exactly is computational genomics and genomic data sciences, and also what is the scope and opportunities of this field, we are going to be in conversation today with Mr. Saim Moomin. Saim, welcome to the YouTube channel, and it's great to have you here. I know you're very busy, and in your busy schedule, you came here to discuss with us and also tell our viewers about genomic sciences, about computational genomics and all.
Thank you, sir, for inviting me and having me today. It's really wonderful and honor, basically, to be on your channel, and also proudly, I can say that I've learned many things from you. So you are my pillar where I'm today. Yeah. So
Oh, God. Thank you very much. So, Saib, can you just tell our viewers and our subscribers about yourself, like what exactly you do and all?
yeah. So basically, I am currently working in a field of computational biology and bioinformatics. Currently, I'm an intern at Eurofins Genomics, and my day-to-day activities involve development of various pipelines related to the customer requirement, and also like some ad hoc analysis as well. So, moreover, I am into a domain which is a combination of biology as well as information technology. So, as I was more keen into information technology, so I really enjoy what I do on a daily basis.
Nice. So when you're saying you spoke something about computational genomics, so what exactly is computational genomics?
Yeah, so computational genomics is comparatively a very active application in today's time, which involves amalgamation of computer science and biology. So, as you know, past 2 decades have been an explosion of genomic data, and the entire DNA sequence of several organisms, including human, are now available, which consist of various various information about organisms' development and life cycle. Uh, After that, would also mention that computational genomics is basically a subset of bioinformatics, which in which computer science play a central role, like from sequencing and assemblies of DNA sequences to analyzing genomes, and in order to locate genes, uh, to find what are the repeated families and similarities between two sequences or in the given data of different organisms. So, talking more about computational biology. So, as I mentioned, it's a branch of bioinformatics which includes statistics, computer science, and mathematical methods to analyze and decipher the biology from the genome sequences. So, we can say it is a site of interaction between genomics and quantitative science. So,
Oh,
and what involves in computational genomics is like it basically focuses on whole genome itself, and we it specifically involves various data retrieval, pipeline developments, and data interpretation to discover the patterns in the biological data. And in today's time, computational genomics comprises of both the application of older methods, which were developed in the previous decades, and the development of novel algorithms for in today's time for analysis of genomic sequences. As you might be knowing, there is a rapid growth in the applications of computational genomics. Like with computational genomics, we can predict the function of novel domains, motifs, and genes, and using multi-omics data. And we can also perform computational analysis of various genomic data obtained from various organisms to go into more depth of it to know the to unreveal the pattern what they have in their data. And the most important thing is like we can mathematically model or using statistical approaches of network biology. Moreover, computational genomics application also has enhanced the development of novel and enhanced algorithms, which provides a deeper insight into the biological data. So, which can include biosequence analysis, gene expression data analysis, phylogenetic analysis, and more specifically, pattern recognition of the biological data. So, computational genomics is moreover used in today's time for cancer genomics. Second, we can sell as personalized and preventive medicines, and more about discovery and development in a larger terms.
Okay. So, can we say that NGS or next generation sequencing is that a part of the computational genomics? Then?
Yeah, NGS is a part of computational genomics.
Okay.
So computational genomics, it is basically a big title, and under that we have NGS, we have systems biology, we have toxicity, we have different chemoinformatics as well, I suppose, and also like network analysis, and like and computational biology. It's basically moreover we have biology, but we apply advanced information technology theories and advancements of algorithms what has been developed, and yeah, that all sum ups to what computational biology is.
Okay. So, what exactly is the scope of this computational genomics?
So computational genomics is having a greater scope in today's time, like as you know, the cost of sequencing has reduced, so which after the human genome project, the cost of per nucleotide sequencing has been greatly reduced, and which in return gives out a large amount of data. So we are having large amount of data produced by high performance sequencer, which are giving data at amazing speed. And after this, like we have data, but we need professionals to mine the patterns from the data and to get the information and important knowledge out of the data to discover the patterns. And moreover, after like during this pandemic, like we are in pandemic, and we need to more analyze like what are the patterns of this COVID-19 and SARS-CoV-19, and we need to come up with some novel tools and algorithms which can detect, find, analyze, interpret, and yeah, enhance the previously available method. So most of the research groups are mostly involved in coming with a rapid and efficient way to solve the real life problems in today's time. May it be cancer biology, or may it be some disease prediction, or may it be some microbial contaminations. And moreover, like this era is more lean toward the development of IT. And with that, I would like to also mention that in computational biology, artificial intelligence and machine learning is playing an important role, and which can help to get the results more quickly and more accurately. So, in a nutshell, computational genomics in upcoming times is having a tremendous scope. Yeah, that is what I would say.
So, thank you for coming, Sam.